This is a fried chicken processing factory in South Korea. About 30,000 chickens are shipped from here every day, according to statistics. 90 out of 100 Koreans who order takeout will order fried chicken. The fried chicken they eat in a year could circle the world twice. These chickens were taken out of the freezer. Workers will first pour in a marinade containing salt. The fried chicken tastes better after it is marinated. This machine can thoroughly mix the marinade with the chicken. Rolling operation. Make the marinated chicken more flavorful. Then the chickens will fall directly on the console. You can clearly see the marinade on the skin of each chicken. Workers will put them all in Ziploc bags. The workers on the other side are cutting chicken pieces. The whole chicken is quickly divided under the action of the machine. Then put the chicken nuggets in a bag. There is a marinade in each bag, until these chicken nuggets will be marinated in the bag. Finally, the vacuum treatment is carried out. Soon came to a fried chicken restaurant in Korea. These chicken nuggets are fully marinated. The master will cut the thick part of the meat. Avoid uneven heating during frying. The white liquid is mineral water blended with frying powder. Put the chicken nuggets in it and put some potato chips in it. Then put them in the frying powder. Coating in this powder will make the chicken pieces more tender. Next is the frying stage. One pot can make 3 servings of fried chicken at the same time. The taste can also be adjusted according to your liking. Soon, the skin of the chicken pieces turned golden brown. Such fried chicken is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Garnish with some dried green onions. Another fried chicken with tomato sauce. After mixing well, sprinkle with chopped peanuts. Whole fried chicken is prepared in the same way. This is what it looks like after it's fried. If you don't like it too greasy, you can use oil-absorbing paper and add a glass of beer at the end. 3 authentic Korean fried chickens are ready. How do you feel in front of the screen? Do you want to eat fried chicken with beer after reading it?